Installing copper bars for battery packs. Tools. Open the right cover of a battery pack. Connect the positive and negative terminals of the battery packs with a copper bar. Tighten the nuts to 27 Nm with a torque wrench. When installing a copper bar C, keep away from communications cables and fan power cables of battery packs to prevent cables from being squeezed. Tighten the nuts to 27 Nm with a torque wrench. Mark the nuts whose torque has been verified using a marker.